Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 50. First, let us look into the US market. US market yesterday, most of the time it's trading in green. All Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, all three were trading in green. But in between the market crashed. Why I am saying it crashed? Because Dow was trading around 230 points higher, then crashed around more than 700 points and ended 530 points lower, and Nasdaq was up by around 190 points, then crashed more than 400 points and ended 228 points lower, and S&P 500 also down by around 1.23%. So in between, why there was a crash? So it's mainly because the Minneapolis Fed president, he commented saying that inflation, if it is hot like this, then forget about June rate cut. Will there be any rate cut in 2024 is a question mark, is what he has raised a concern. Further to that, there is a geopolitical tension between Israel and Iran. So both together added fuel to the fire, and the market crashed yesterday and all three indices were down. Moreover, we have the US market labor report due today. In the month of February, the economy added 275,000 jobs, but the expectation for the month of March is 212,000 jobs. So we have to wait and watch the data today. If it is above 212,000, then probably the chance of rate cut is very less. But if the data is below 212,000 jobs, then probably there is a chances of considering a rate cut in the month of June. Now let us see some stock specific update. Apple scrapped two of its ambitious project. One is its electric and autonomous car project, and another one is the next generation display screen for smartwatch projects. So these two projects, Apple scrapped it, and in California they laid off around 600 associates, but Apple stock did not react much to it. Other stocks that were down are AMD stock down by around 8%, Alphabet down by around 2.8%, and Nvidia down by around 3.5%. Most of the other stocks were trading flat, more or less flat yesterday. And if you look at analyst view about Amazon, analyst feels that Amazon stock may have a double-digit growth this year in 2024. Currently, Amazon stock trading at $180. So in 2024, it may cross $212, and there is all chances it may touch $230. With a percentage increase of around 12 to 30% is what analyst prediction is all about. So this is not my view, this is analyst view. If you are planning to invest in Amazon, just analyze, then discuss with your financial advisor, then proceed. These are all the updates about the US market, and European markets were down by around 1 to 1.5% today. This is mainly the reflection of what we have seen in US market yesterday. The key update today from the Indian market is RBI MPC meeting. RBI holds the repo rate at 6.5%. This is the seventh consecutive time RBI is retaining 6.5% for the repo rate. CPI inflation for the year 25 has been projected at 4.5%, and the GDP growth forecast is retained at 7% for the financial year 2024 and 2025. More or less all the 4 quarters, it seems to be the GDP growth forecast is around 7%, and the consumer price inflation stands at 5.1%. So the RBI guidelines is it should be between 4 to 6%, but probably for the past few quarters we are maintaining at 5.1%. So the consumer price inflation stands at 5.1% for the past few quarters actually. And if you look at today, Nifty traded in the negative zone most of the time, but ended flat. It is down by only 1 point compared to yesterday. That is mainly because Nifty Bank contributed for the flat end of Nifty today actually. So in Nifty Bank, it ended up 435 points higher, but most of the large cap stocks like Reliance, TCS, Infosys, they were trading in the negative zone today. But if you look at ICICI Bank, SBI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and HDFC Bank contributed for yesterday as well as today. So because of HDFC Bank contribution, Nifty ended flat today. Otherwise, we would have ended in the negative zone today for Nifty actually. So most of the financial stocks were trading higher today. Reality stocks were trading higher today. Godrej Properties, Mahindra Life Science, Swan Energy, all were trading higher today. Affos Financials up by more than 10% today. So HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, we already discussed. AU Small Finance Bank also ended higher today. Gas City distribution companies like IGL trading higher today. IFL Finance, NBCC, IRB Infra, all were trading higher today. IRDA shares were also trading higher today, close to 10% in IRDA shares were trading higher today. Even though Nifty ended flat today, broader market were trading positive today. Both mid-cap and small-cap stocks were trading positive today. Mid-cap stocks up by around 0.5% and small-cap stocks up by 0.8%. The other stocks that were trading positive today are Managra Gas, Gujarat Gas, Purvankara, Zomato, ICICI Prudential, Inox India, Indus Tower, Spark, IGL, Tata Chemicals, GSPL. So all these stocks were trading positive today. Stocks that were in the trading in the negative zone are Manappuram Finance, Soba, Prestige Estates and Cipla. So these are some of the key stocks that were trading positive and negative today. So this is the update from the Indian market today. Happy weekend for all my viewers. Thank you for watching my video.